ahead of the curve is essential for success. Enter Salesforce, a powerful tool that can transform the way real estate industries operate. Let's delve into how Salesforce can revolutionize the industry. Number 1. Efficient client management. One of the key challenges in real estate is managing a large number of clients' data and their information. Salesforce streamlines this process by providing a centralized database where you can store and organize all your clients' interactions for easy access, allowing you to provide a personalized experience and maintain a better relationship with your clients. Number 2. Automated communication. Communication is vital in real estate industries. With Salesforce, you can automate as well as customize your communications. Imagine sending personalized emails, property alerts, or follow-ups automatically. This will not only save your time but also enhances customer satisfaction and help you stay on the top of your mind. Third, lead management. Finding and nurturing leads is the backbone of real estate success. Salesforce offers advanced lead management tools that assist in capturing and tracking leads and converting them into your clients. Fourth, analytics and reporting. In any business, data-driven decision making is crucial. Salesforce provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities tailored for real estate professionals. You can gain insights into your team's performance, track sales metrics, and evaluate your marketing campaign. This will help you tune your strategies and make informed decisions. Fifth, mobile accessibility. Real estate professionals are always on the go, and that's where Salesforce mobile apps come in handy. You can access all your clients' data, manage tasks, respond to the queries through your mobile phones. This flexibility ensures you are always connected, even when you are out of office. So, with Salesforce, join the future of real estate, where efficiency and customer satisfaction go hand in hand. This will elevate your real estate business to new heights. Connect with us today and transform your real estate business with Dean Infotech expert Salesforce solutions. Till then, bye-bye.